Dude, I don't see one other person wearing gloves and a mask.
Survival check, let's go.
Just filling it up. Fill up the buggy. Fill it out. Go. We're losing package.
Essential cinnamon toast crunch. Pop-Tart essential. Cooking oil? We're in aisle 4B. We're about to lose this front drive tire.
We're literally on the verge of blowing out a wheel. Look at the back one. Check out the back one right here.
Oh, shit. Well, update. The wheel survived.
Wheel survived. I think we might be infected, but we took off our mask. No one else is wearing a mask. We see one person wearing a mask.
No one's taking this serious.
308. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary that, oh! I don't like this. I don't like this whole thing here. I don't like what's going on right now. Shelves were cleared out. Couldn't get what you wanted. I know we got stuff, obviously, but I don't know. It just feels weird. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to our coronavirus haul. Whoa, what was that? All right, guys, we just did our grocery haul for the old preparation here. I'm a little freaked out. Not so much of the virus, but the people. So we're here to get the wife a new tool. I don't know if I can say what exactly it is because I don't want to get demonetized. But Matt from Off the Ranch, Demolition Ranch, he calls them tools, right? Tools. So we're here at the local tool shop, the local tool shed, and we're getting the wife a new tool. We'll be back. We fudged up bad. Okay, we were in there, found the tools we needed, but my gosh darn license is expired. So now we're in a time of hysteria and panic, and we got no tools. Well, we got tools. We were just trying to get more tools. You know what I'm saying? So we got to do all kind of stuff. We got to get a DOT physical, and then we got to go to the DMV. Probably the two worst places you want to be in national emergency hysteria panic. But we need to get more tools. Come on, Tough Mudder.
Handed him the keys. I'm like, what are you upset about?
My a-hole self, we were just at the vitamin shop yesterday, right? I didn't realize that the baby was out of vitamins. So we gotta go get the baby vitamins. But the coronavirus has people in hysteria.
Healthy vlog. Fit vlog.
Unsponsored fit vlog. We're just anti-coronas.